We're about to fix the first post in, so I've marked the position on the wall, and what we're going to be doing is drilling an 8mm hole using a standard wall plug and then fixing the top of the post to that position there. So there'll be a bit of noise, so bear with us. We've got this unique dust extraction system. And that's it, no dust, no mess. The wall plug goes in. The Lego block is fixed to the wall, and we do that by dropping the screw through there. Making sure the screws are on the top. And that's rock solid. And then simply the top of the post slides over the top of the Lego block. Just like that. And we straighten it up.